What if I told you that our understanding of the cosmos is being rewritten at lightning speed? Gravitational wave research, once a theoretical curiosity, is now reshaping astronomy in ways scientists couldn't have predicted a decade ago. But here's where it gets controversial. Just a few years back, many experts feared the field would move at a glacial pace, constrained by technological limits and the sheer rarity of detectable events. Yet, the reality is far more thrilling. Let's dive into why this science is accelerating faster than anyone imagined, and why it might just redefine our grasp of the universe itself. To set the stage, the first confirmed gravitational wave detection by LIGO in 2015 was a monumental achievement. But here's the kicker. Today, researchers are already cataloging over 100 new cosmic collisions involving black holes and neutron stars. This isn't just progress. It's a revolution. The latest data, compiled by the global LIGO, Virgo, and KAGRA collaborations, spreading across the US, Italy, and Japan, adds 128 newly confirmed events to the record. To put that into perspective, proving such collisions even existed was once a Nobel-worthy breakthrough. Now, we're tracking them like astronomers once did with supernovas. And this is the part most people miss. Each of these events is a window into the fabric of spacetime, revealing secrets about how the universe behaves under extreme conditions. How is this possible so quickly? The answer lies in relentless innovation. Recent upgrades to gravitational wave detectors have boosted their sensitivity by up to 25%, allowing scientists to spot fainter signals buried in cosmic noise. Imagine trying to hear a whisper in a noisy room. These improvements are like turning down the background chatter while amplifying the voice you care about. The result? More events detected and more opportunities to study phenomena like the mergers of black holes or the elusive morsels of evaporating black holes, which could unlock clues about the nature of spacetime itself. Spoiler, some of these tiny remnants can only be found because gravitational wave detectors now pinpoint their origins with incredible precision. But wait, there's more. The real fireworks are just beginning. The Laser Interferometer Space Antenna, LISA, a planned space-based observatory, is set to launch in the 2030s. Once operational, it will expand our view to supermassive black holes, gargantuan cosmic engines that shape galaxies. These behemoths are thought to have formed in the universe's infancy. So where does this leave us? In 9 short years, gravitational wave astronomy has gone from a niche experiment to a cornerstone of modern astrophysics. Yet, the field is still in its infancy. Here's a thought to chew on. If current trends continue, will we eventually map the entire gravitational wave sky? And if so, what cosmic truths will we uncover? Do you think we're on the brink of a cosmic revolution, or are we just scratching the surface of a much deeper mystery? Share your thoughts, because in science, the best discoveries often begin with a question.